Chibucon said, following him, and don't set foot in my house again. Chibucon said, don't set that foot in my house again. Nathanael said, take it to court, we will see. Then Lemon, stranger out here. Chibucon, devil, take him. Walk about in the excitement. Nathanael said, what rascal! What trust can one have in one's neighbor after that? Nathanael said, it's a rascal. What the trust can one have in the one's neighbor after that? We trust on the neighbor, Nathanael said. Chubukon said, villain, the scarecrows. Nathanael said, the monster, first he takes out land and then he has impudence to abuse us. Chibukon. And that blind hen. Yes, that turnip ghost has the confound chick to make a proposal and so on. What a proposal. Natala said, what a proposal. Now Natala is very eager to see and hear that what is the proposal he took front of that Chibukon. Chibukon, why he came here to you? Natala said, to propose to me? Why didn't you tell me so before? Chibukon said, so he dresses up in evening clothes, then the stuffed suges the pigeon faced from. Nathala said, to propose to me, oh, in bracket, falls into an easy chair and the wells bring him back. Back? Oh, bring him here. Chupukor said, bring whom here? Nathala, quick, quick, I am ill. Fetch him. Then Chupukon, what's that? What the matter with you? In bracket, clutch at his head. Oh, unhappy man that I am, I shall shoot myself, I shall hang myself, we have done for her. I am dying. Fetch him. Chubukon at once, don't yell. Now Natalia's request to her father, just bring him back, otherwise I will just hang. I will shoot myself, otherwise I will hang myself. We have done for her. Now Natalia's take more interest in that the Lovans, and then she requests to her father just to call him back. I said, Natalia Stepons, well, what have they done to me? Fetch him back, fetch him. Natalia said, what you have done for me? Fetch him, fetch him. In bracket, a pause. Chibukon run in. Chibukon run to back him. Chibukon said, he is coming, and so on. They will take him out. Talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Natalia said, well, speech him. Chibukon, Al, he is coming. I tell you, oh, what a burden, Lord, to be the father of a grown up daughter. I shall cut my throat, I will indeed. We cursed him and abused to him, drove him out, and it's all you. Natala said, no, it was you. What have they done to me? Fetch him back, fetch him. Then Chibukan said, he is coming, don't worry. So on, the devil take him out. Talk to him yourself. I don't want to. Then Adala said, fetch him. Chibukan said, yeah, yes, he is coming. I tell you, oh, what a burden, Lord, to be a father of the grown-up daughter. I shall cut my throat, she said, I shall cut my throat. I will indeed. We accursed him and abused him, drove him out, and it's the all of you. Natala said, no, it was you. It was you. One said, I tell you, it's not my fault. In bracket, Lemon appears at the door. Lemon is present at the door. Now you talk to him yourself. Exit. Lemon. In bracket, Lemon enter. Lemon now enter. My heart palpitating awfully. My foot's gone to sleep. There is something that keeps pulling in my side. Lemon said, it is my foot is going to the sleep and now you pull to my side. Natala said, forgive us. I once, Vaselich, we were all of the little hated. Remember now, oaks and meadows really are your. Lemon said, my heart beating awfully. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitch. Then Lemon said, my heart beating is awfully, and my meadows, my eyebrows are the both of twitchings. Natalia said, the meadows are your. Yes, your. Do sit down. They sit. In bracket now, Lemon said, we were the wrong. Natalia said, we were wrong. It is your property. That meadows is your. Just you sit down. Lemon said, I did it on principle. My land is worth little to me, but the principle. Then Natala said, yes, the principal just so. Now, let's the something else. Lemon said, the more so as I have evidence. My aunt grandmother gave the land to your father grandfather peasant. Lemon said, I have the evidence. My aunt gave that the land to your father's grandfather, then the peasant. Natala said, yes, yes, let that pass aside. I wish I knew how to get him started aloud. Are you going to start shooting soon? Lemon said, I am thinking of having a go too at the Black Cox and honored Natalia Stephens after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Just think what a misfortune I have had. My dog is, who you know, has gone lame. Lemon said, I am thinking of having go to the backlog and honored the Natalia Stephens after the harvest. Oh, have you heard? Then just think about the misfortune I have had. My dog of the gates and who had no has gone the lame. Natalia said, what a pity. Why? Lemon said, I don't know. Must have got his leg twisted or bitten by some other dog. My very best dog, to say nothing of the expense I gave no Meron 125 ruble for him. Then Natalia said, it was too much. I want vessels. Lemon said, I think it was a very cheap. He's a first rate dog. And Lemon are going to discuss here that is the dog, about that the dog. That is the Meroz 125 rubles of the hymns, and to she Natalia said it is a very cheap. It's the first rate dog. Natala said, Papa gave 85 rubles for his the squeezer. Then the squeezer is a heap and better than the gates. Now Natala requests to her father just to give 85 rubles, then that the quizzer and the quizzer is a heap better than the gates. Then, dear student, this is a very great and funny one act play. I hope so that you understood better. Then next part we will see in the next video.